All right, today we're gonna break down the twist or flex. The idea really is to get good isolation in, all right? So here are the counts: 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3. Let's go to the right side. No, switch it out again. Let's stop at 3 for a second. 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3. And I'm gonna go back and I'm gonna use my TAs here. So on 1, 7, 8, and 1. On 2, what I want to do is make sure the elbows are pointing out straight to the side. So the elbows are not back here. Sometimes it's comfortable to keep it pointing back. We want to make sure they're pointing perfectly out to 3 o'clock and 9 o'clock, right? That's our 2. And right on 3, boom, we're trying to aim for 12 o'clock and 6 o'clock, but it's not very easy. So it's still okay. So Rochelle here, boom, she's got maybe like 5 o'clock to 11 o'clock. That's still fine. But the key really is to hold that. We don't want to be like struggling and then keep it moving, right? The idea really is that once you hit that spot, boom, you stay there. Okay, stay there. So that's the 3, and then right on 4, go ahead and get the 4, which is the head. Good. You see how like this part, this body doesn't move, just the head. So from the 3 to the 4. Dude, that looks so good, right? All right, so let's get to the 4. 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4. Right on 5, this is the first version. We're just gonna focus on bringing the knee out, okay? So right when you get to the 4, right on 5, he's gonna bend opposite. There you go. This one, this knee pops out, and the heel, so here's the side view right here. Heel comes off the ground. This way, I want you to really feel the pressure on the ball of your feet. The pressure is here and the heel. Because what we're trying to do is we're trying to do this heel-toe twist, okay? A heel-toe twist. So if you go like this, and you also put the pressure on the ball of both feet, then you're gonna eventually turn this way. That has a different look than this. Watch my hip. If I go like this, here, this hip, it looks like it's out of place. But if I go here, the center kind of stays in place. And that's really the idea. When we spin, we want to stay on the same axis, okay? So from the top, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4. Right on the 5, we're gonna pop it out. And right at 6, this is where we do a heel toe turn here. 6 right here. And right when we do that, we really want to focus the shoulders and the head. We try not to move, okay? So let's go back to the 1 and try to get to the 6. I'm going to use my TAs for a second. 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay? So you guys are going to do what Rochelle did a lot, which is there's some movement here, which is fine. Okay? When you guys film yourself, let's try this again. 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then 6 right there. See that 6? I'm holding her shoulder here. Versus before, it was like, boom, I want to correct right now. You don't want to do that, okay? I want you to go like this. Because you 1, 2, 3, right on 3. Unless you're 3, unless you're super flexible, you're already there. You just want to stay here. Here's my 3, right? 4, 5. Right at 6, boom. I want to keep this here where it was. Right on 7, then I'm gonna fix it, right? Here's 6, right on 7, boom, I walk through, that's when I fix it. Here's 8, okay? So really on that 6, we have to make sure this guy doesn't move. The head and the shoulder doesn't move. Let's try again. 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That's really the key, guys. That's 6 right here. Okay, again, I don't want to go like this and then go. I don't want to see this movement. Okay, so if you guys are at home, film yourself, watch your shoulder. Make sure you don't move your shoulder on the 6. And then around 7, 8, we're just going to step forward. 7, 8. It's a simple step forward. Okay? Okay, let's try that one more time. Ready? Let's count. 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Excellent. Okay. So going backwards, going the other way, I'm gonna let you guys figure that part out. Okay. Now, we have version 2, the second version, which is here. 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4. This so far is the same. Right on 5, when we pop our knee, our head comes back at the same time. Okay? Boom. Here's our, what's it, 5? 6? This is 6. This is 5. 5 right here. Right on 6. Same thing. So the head and the feet turns simultaneously while the chest stays the same. Okay, let's go back to 1 again. 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Good. And then walk it out 7, 8, 7 and 8. Perfect. Okay, that's our second version. Let's give it a try. 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Twisto flex. Now the key is this. Once you have that move and you're able to go to the left side, I want you guys to try to freestyle with it. What does that mean? That means on the 1, instead of in 1 here, you could go forward, you could go to the side, you could go to the back, wherever you, this is breaking things down its own elements, okay? So you could go and 1, 2, 3, 4, right? So from here, boom, you could go 4, you could go 4, boom, 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 boom. So like when you freestyle with it, I want you to take each section, take your time with it. I would leave the music off. Right? I would just start playing with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3. Just kind of play with it, reverse it, go forward and go back. The idea with the Twisto flex is really just about isolation. Knowing how to isolate in different positions, because oftentimes we could isolate real well, standing still. Boom, isolate, isolate. That's good. But now if we're in this position, it's a little bit more different. If you're in this position, it's different. Right? So those are the things that I kind of want you guys to play with. If you understand the concept, and you're going to play with it, then you're going to be a much, much better dancer. All right? Cool. Thank you, guys.